Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve question number 7. Don't try to count. This is the problem statement. You all can go through it. So they are saying that they'll give us two arrays A and B, right? And we are allowed to perform one operation. That is, can append A to itself any number of times. Like for example, they give us ABA, then we can append ABA to it. Then it becomes ABA, then again we can append this whole string to itself, right? Then again this process goes on. So we can perform this operation in number of time, and we need to print the minimum number of operations after which the second string will be present as a substring in the first string, right? For example, for in the test case, this one A, then second times it becomes 2A, then 4A, then 8A, like that it goes on. And after how many minimum number of operations, the second string, that is 5A's, will be present as a substring in the first string. The minimum number of times you need to print out. This is the problem statement. I hope you understood. So let's see this example, right? I took the same test case. So here the thing is, suppose they give us first string as A and the second string as 5A's. So we need to tell that after how many minimum number of operations the second string will be present as a substring in the first string. So in the first operation it will become 2A, right? Then 4A, then 8A, right? Then it goes on. So the thing is, after 1, 2, 3, after third operation, the second string is present as a substring, right? So the answer is 3 in this case. So the solution is that we will perform the operation and we will check if it's present as a substring or not, right? So but the thing is that how many number of times we are required to perform that operation. So for that they gave us a condition, that is the product of the length of both the strings is less than or equal to 25, right? So let us say the first string is length is 1, so minimum length possible length, the second maximum possible length is that's 25, right? So suppose this is the axiom conditions, right? First length the string is 1, the length of the first string is 1 and the second length of the second string is 25. So now for that case, first string, first it will be 1A, right? Then it will be 2A, then 4A, then 8A, then 16, right? Likewise it will go on. So we need 2 power 4 is 16, so we need minimum 2 power 5, right? 2 power 5 is 32. So minimum 5 times we need to perform the operations, right? So this is the extreme case and it will cover all the test cases, right? That is, at most we will do 5 operations, and within, if the second string was supposed to be there in the first string as a substring, then within that 5 operations, at most 5 operations, it will appear. And if it doesn't appear within that 5 operations, it will never gonna appear in the string first in the first string as a substring, right? So this was the solution. So this is the code. So I took put a string as input, and I just performed this operation, that is 5 times at equals to 5, because the the last iteration it will break, right? It will not perform the operation. So if uh, this is a function to check if B is present as a substring string A. So if it's present, it returns the index of the first occurrence of the substring, and if it returns -1 means it is not present as a substring, right? So I just check that if after performing first operation, like I will run the loop, and I will check at first, right? So the first condition, it may be that it is already present. We no need to perform any operation. So for in that case, it will be handled by this condition. So if it's not equal to -1 means if it is there already there, so we'll take that is the number of times, right? So the outer loop tells us how many number of times we are performing. So we'll take the in answer the I value, and we'll break, and we'll so this was just a comment. So we'll just print out the answer value, right? And if it's not the case, if it is not present, we'll append the string, and we'll again perform the operation. So likewise, this is the solution. Thank you.